Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you a review of the Honeyuan H13 HEPA air purifier for home large room. If you're looking to improve the air quality in your home, this is the perfect solution for you. This air purifier features a 360 air intake design and H13 true HEPA filter with 3-stage filtration, making it ideal for pet owners, babies, children, and the elderly. It effectively removes allergens, pet dander, and dust, leaving you with clean and fresh air. Not only is this air purifier powerful, but it's also portable and smart. It can completely refresh the air in a 600 sqft room in just 30 minutes, and it comes with an easy-to-use LCD touch display. With 3 fan speeds, 9 timer options, and a filter replacement reminder, this air purifier is convenient and user-friendly. One of the best features of this air purifier is its multifunctional and flexible design. It operates at noise levels as low as 24 decibels, and you can adjust the fan speed mode and set the operating time according to your preferences. When it comes to safety, you can trust that this air purifier is certified by UL, C, and FCC. It complies with the indoor cleaning equipment standards of the California Air Resources Board and California Proposition 65. Plus, it's equipped with a DC motor that can be used with 100-240 volts, making it safe for use in the USA. In addition to the air purifier, you'll also receive a high-efficiency composite filter, power adapter, and instruction manual. And to give you peace of mind, this product is backed by a 1-year warranty and 24 hours after sales service. So, if you're ready to take the next step towards cleaner and healthier air in your home, click the link in the description to purchase the Honeyuan H13 HEPA air purifier for home large room. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Stay happy and healthy.